All right, y'all. So we're back on Telegram. We are finally back on Telegram. It's been a long time. I missed y'all. Hope y'all doing well. Pretty much we're doing a free market outlook. We're just going to go over some pairs if you guys want to check them out. Pretty much just having fun. If you guys also have any questions about the new pricing structure for the new course or what the new course is going to be about, let me know. We'll help you out. We'll be good to go. All right. So first thing I noticed earlier today was that EJ is not doing what I wanted it to do whatsoever. Got a lot of liquidity building up right on EJ, right around this area specifically. So what I would love for it to happen would be for price to hit 122.80 at the minimum. It'll be about 2 pips above what I really want to go at 0.78. But regardless, I am overall bullish on this pair. The only issue speaking is that, granted, we might have our target profit right here. Only issue is that price keeps wanting to push down and down and down. So we'll go into lower time frames and kind of see where exactly price has been pushing down, at least minimally. So we're going to check out this price right here. We got entry 1, boom. 2 touches. So far, you would have been, entry 1 would have been 124.35 at least. Would have been at least 40 pips in profit before it started hitting back up. So quick little scalp there. But what I noticed was that price wants to do, what time frame was it? I believe it was 8-hour time frame. Here we go. So we see a possible rally-based rally, possible outcome candle. Could be one of the two. Our entry here instantly shot up. So what I want to do is look for the precise entry. Could have been a breaker, could have been a normal candle. We don't know. We got to zoom in, find out. All right. No valid entry on that point. So we're still looking for a good entry. But overall, we are looking for both sells and buys, just kind of trying to figure out where price is going long term. So we've got, there we go. So what I wanted to see was why price reacted off the 4-hour outcome candle, but then shot up immediately after it had entered. So when it did, what I went to the 30-minute time frame, and you can see right here. 30-minute time frame, bada boom, right there. So we went for 40 pips. Take profit was at the 30-minute rally-based rally from the sell outcome candle and now made its way back, remitigated the outcome candle. The determining factor here, though, is that is it going up or is it going down? We're just kind of ranging right now. So we could be forming reaccumulation. As you can see, this is obviously accumulation, or we could be forming distribution. If this is distribution long-term, this means our 4-hour order block is still valid for the sell into our 8-hour buy order block. If not, it's just going to keep going up. Then we're just going to look for smaller time frame entries. Nothing we can change about it. Just move with react with the market. That's all we can do. So EJ, we're still keeping an eye out on it. Nothing we can really focus on too hard right now. Just let it be. You guys have any other pairs you want to check out? EJ has been the only thing I've been focusing on lately. I've heard a lot about GU buying up, buying down, doing whatever it damn well pleases pretty much at this point. There you go. 4-hour. Let's check 3-hour time frame. There we go. EU 8-hour. All right, let's check out EU 8-hour. Thank you, Kylan, for also giving me a time frame because I really love when people give me time frames. 8-hour time frame. There we go. Ooh, yes. Possible. Not 100% guaranteed, but possible. What did I see on lower time frame here? I must have seen something because I marked this up and was perfectly valid. What do we got? What do we got? What did I see? Did I see something here? I marked something up in this area, so it should have been something. 30-minute time frame, maybe? This is very strange. There we go. 15-minute time frame. Enter, up. Enter, up. Enter again, up. It keeps going up and down, up and down, up and down. We had another entry. Gone one again. So for this move here, at the original move, we went for, let's see, date and price range. So from original entry, we almost hit stop loss, but we ended up not doing it. If you held it up here to original take profit, it would have gone 130 pips. If you went for this area, we're on for 100 pips in this area here. So it's not a bad trade. I mean, overall stop loss was what? 10 pips total? That was a 10-to-1 ratio of risk to reward. I like those odds. So what we're going to do is go to 8-hour time frame because Kylan likes the 8-hour time frame. All right. Yeah, I'll check USD CHF 4-hour time frame as well. So we got an issue here, a slight issue. Can y'all tell me what the issue is? Kylan, I know you see it, man. You always got to look left on where price is. I have a possible entry here. I'll give you a hint. So granted, it wasn't 100% valid. It might have just gone for the inefficiency overall. Let's see if there actually is inefficiency. Nope. Not strong inefficiency, but there is something here in this area. Price reacted pretty strongly, went back up. So theoretically, could we be going up or down? I don't know. Actually, no. I'm still long-term bearish. This is EU, my bad. Daily time frame. You can see we are in distribution, 100%. Now we're just waiting for the overall sell. So although, Kylan, I see what you're talking about on the arrow time frame, that breaker, right? Right here. Possible inefficiency fill right here. I just would prefer the sells long term. So what I'm seeing is that our entry could be, oh, you're looking at the sell? You're looking at this one? 1.1836386? Because I remember in Vault, we're all looking at the buys today. Yeah. So we might have a small reaction off the breaker here or the inefficiency play and then pop up and then make its way down. Or we could just wait for the market to tell us what it wants to do. We'll wait for that one. USD CHF. It is not a pair I trade anymore, but I will check it out for you. All right. Let me add one. USD CHF. Let's check it out. What do we got? FXCM. All right. So, James Isaacs, what do you see on USD CHF 4-hour time frame? You kind of have to tell me what you want to see. Yeah, I'll check NOS 100, but you got to tell me what you see on NOS 100. If you entered to buy or entered to sell, it doesn't matter what my opinion is, you're already in the trade. But if you want to look into a trade, get into it, then let me know, give me your bias, and I'll look at it. So, James, just let me know what's up with USD CHF. What do you see on 4-hour time frame? Because I know what I see, but I need to see what you see. Looking at the buy. Why the buy? What's your confluences for buying? Just the inefficiency? There's no inefficiency here to buy at. Are you buying? Wait. Okay, I'm a little confused here. Where are you buying at? Give me a price range. Because there's liquidity here, there's liquidity here, but there's a possible outcome candle here. So if you bought expecting price to come here, that's risky. It's possible, but it's very risky. I wouldn't do that. But you're saying you bought USD CHF, and I see no confluences for any buys anywhere. So you're buying just to hope that it gets up there? What happens if it doesn't get there? Because just because there's an outcome candle doesn't mean it'll automatically go there. It might break the liquidity first and then make its way up. Okay, there we go. So you are waiting on the sell. So you're waiting for price to go up before you enter that sell. Okay, you just confused the hell out of me, bro. I'll be straight up. I was like, I had no clue what you're talking about there. All right, so we're going to round down for institutional level here. We're going to go for 5.0. So your entry would be 0.9150. Waiting for price to come up. Actually, no, shit, my bad. Don't listen to me. This is a sell. We got to round down, y'all. We're going to go down. 4.50. All right, so we're waiting for price to come up, sell at 0.91450, and then we're dropping all the way. All right, so that's a good idea, actually. James Isaacs, solid choice on USD CHF. If it sells, it sells. If it hoes, it goes. Okay, what are rules for entry? Just wait for price to get up there, set a sell limit, and then drop it. And stop loss would be right at the close of the candle here. So that would be a total of 13 pips for the stop loss. All right, so your buy entry was 11633. Let's check it out. Okay, so your buy entry was up here. Oh, I see. So you just bought it, right, Rich? Oh shit, my bad. King Easel. You just bought 11633. So it was just recently, right? Yeah, you bought way early, bro. So why are you buying in a downtrend? I'm kind of curious. Give me your reasoning for entering here. Let's have a lesson here. Why did you buy? Because personally, I see no pullback. So I'm assuming you don't trade smart money or Wyckoff because we don't use terms like pullbacks. You don't use any terms like retracement in our trading methodology. There's no such thing as pullback. It's either reaccumulation or redistribution is what it looks like. So you bought the pullback, but you're expecting it to sell, right? Oh shit, that was a clean entry. All right. So that was your original entry, what you should have sold at for NAS. There was an entry up here, entry up here, entry up here. Let's go back to USD real quick. Kind of explain this right here. So 4-hour time frame, it's a valid sell. It did not create a new low, but what it did create is liquidity. It gave us a target to reach. So if this stays valid, if this sell overall is still valid, price comes up here and comes down here, we have a guaranteed 50 pip TP because of liquidity. Now, if price reacts strongly and breaks through that liquidity, we can set our stop loss at previous structure and just continue holding. If we don't get the proper, wait for price action to sell. Personally, that's more advanced. But if you're not advanced to understand Wyckoff schematics and lower time frames, use a sell limit. Yeah, use a sell limit if you don't understand Wyckoff. But if you do understand Wyckoff and how they can react on 1 minute time frames, do not set sell limits. Just put a alert on your trading views so you get notified when price is close. Yeah, Wyckoff is tricky as hell, but it's also the easiest thing to understand once you know what to look for. People will use labels like SOS, SOW, UTAD, Spring. You don't need any of them. All you need to know is just what the structure looks like. And that becomes pretty easy once you start practicing enough. All right, back to NAS. Let's go over that one again. So overall, very risky play buying the pullback in quotation mark because we don't use pullbacks as a term in smart money or Wyckoff. But as long as you know where to enter on the sell, you're good. Let's just see where a good sell would be. All right. Any of my students, you want to give me an idea of where would you sell? I know I got a couple students in here. 1760. That's a little low. Personally, I wouldn't use that one. Jacoby is a little high. I'm thinking in this area here. So personally, 11,800. There we go. Actually, a little lower. A little lower. I'm looking at the 45-minute time frame right here. Specifically, I'm looking at this candle here. Yep, drop, base, drop. Hash, thank you for the answer. That's what I was looking for. Drop, base, drop. Supply and demand entry here, actually. Let's see if it's valid on any other time frames. 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. Not 100% valid on any of the smaller time frames, but the 30-minute time frame is good enough for me. I'd like to use that personally. Yeah, 11783 would be the best entry for me. 45-minute time frame, supply and demand entry, drop, pace, drop. So what we're waiting for is price to come up, break the liquidity here and here, snatch orders, and continue on its way down. Because you can see overall time frame on NOS 100, this is just reaccumulation. Price is going to go up anyways. Yeah, I'd set a sell limit if you want to, but be sure you're watching price action. Always watch price action. So if you didn't know, the entry here was on the 8-hour or 12-hour time frame for the buy. Price accumulated before it hit the buy area, shot up quickly as hell. So you know that price is going to pull back, quotation mark again. What we're really looking for is reaccumulation. So price is currently reaccumulating before it makes the final move up. It's going to break the all-time highs again. So we're going to break 12,403. If you include the wick, we're going to break 12,440 or 12,450, I believe. So price will go up. It will break that area, but it's a matter of getting the proper entry. Now what we're going to be doing over the next few weeks is just waiting for the proper entry. It will present itself. It's just a matter of patience. So currently, right now, 45-minute time frame, you could scalp the sell. It's not a strong sell. It's not going to hold very long, but it could be valid. What I would focus on is actually the buy here. Yeah. I'd like to use that one as a buy, possibly here. Price comes up, reacts off the DBD, comes back down, reacts off the outcome candle, continues on its way up. That's if price respects price action. So we're just going to focus on price action and keep it going from there. All right, so we did NOS 100, we did USD CHF, we did EU, GU, and EJ. You guys have any other pairs you want to check out? All right, GJ. I got two people talking to me about GJ. Well, let's go with GJ, y'all. 15-minute, 5-minute. What do we got? Why are you all in these small time frames, man? Yes, sir. No worries, man. I'm always here to answer your questions. Yeah, Ash, thank you for actually telling me what to look for. Yes, this is distribution on 15-minute time frame. So what would this be here? If this is distribution, what is this? Remember the market structure. Yeah, sell is good call. Nope, this is not accumulation. We have distribution, markdown, and then what? Redistribution. So price is going to continue pushing down. So now that we know that price is going to continue pushing down, we're just looking for entries, right? Actually, first, hold up. Let me check higher time frame. I don't want to get screwed over on this. Oh, that's an ugly pair. Yeah, I'm bearish. I forgot about the DBD that sold real well. I'm mad I missed that one, but yeah, that was a clean entry. 12-hour time frame, no entries on sale, no entries on 8-hour, 6-hour, 4-hour. No valid entries on these lower time frames. We might have a reaction here off the 2-hour. Check 1 hour, 45. Nah, this is just distribution, redistribution. So we're going to go for lower time frame as possible. There we go. Oh, shit. Let me go back. There we go. We're back. Here it is, the entry. Found it. 10-minute time frame, valid outcome candle, liquidity building above, price coming back to respect it, and there we go. That was it. So let's see how small the stop loss is on that one, since it is 10-minute time frame. Oh, shit. That's actually clean. So we're going to round that down to 13670 to account for spread. We're going to round this one up 2 pips just to account for spread as well. Actually, it's 3 pips. So your total stop loss on GJ sell is 8 pips. Now we're looking for the target. First target would be last point of this wick here. Liquidity. Always liquidity. So our entry would be here. And we go for at least 13 pips. No, that's an ugly trade. It could go higher, but there's no reason. Because if it goes higher, then it's going to break the distribution structure. And that makes this redistribution invalid. Your target's 135. Hash, what the hell are you doing, man? But I'm just talking about first target. So you'd set your stop loss at break even. You take partials here. You continue going down. Your next target profit would be 18. Next one would be the breaker structure here. If it breaks this point right here after 43 pips, hold it. And then we're going down. And then we're going down, down, down. Next structure being 87 pips around this area. Let's check 2 hour time frame. I see you. Oh shit. I like it. Yeah, I see why you're feeling 135. I'm looking to the left too. Because I see this move right here that already mitigated. %. Yep, that one popped up. Good to go. That's clean, man. I think it's going to continue pushing down simply because of the daily time frame, though. It was too strong of a move. It's just going to keep dropping. All right, y'all. I believe that should be it. We went over a couple pairs. If you guys do have any questions, let me know. This call is recorded. We're going to put it on YouTube so you guys can watch it later. 4 hour GJ. Let's check again. Man. Everything I told y'all was a lie. That's a rally-based rally. Price is going up. We're getting a slight retrace down, but we're going up. Damn. This could be a valid order block here. Not 100%, but we could keep an eye on it. But the way price respected this rally-based rally, I'd see a focus on going up. Yeah, I do market execution at that point. All right, y'all. That'll be all for the day. Chat is finally active again, so if you're on Telegram, let us know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up, bro. All right, guys. You guys have a wonderful day. You too, Brian. Weirdo.